Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a family budget in Notion, your full guide for 2025. We're going to start off by creating a new page in Notion. This is your blank canvas for your budget. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for all your budgeting needs, which will help keep everything organized and in one place. Now that we've done that, it's time to add some tables. On your new page, click on the plus, select Table, Full Page. This will act as the backbone of your budget. It helps to visualize and categorize your income, expenses, and savings. Next up, we're going to add some columns. These will represent different aspects of your budget, like income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, and savings. The reason we do this is to have a detailed breakdown of where your money is coming from and where it's going. This way, you can see at a glance what's happening with your finances. Now let's fill in those tables. Start by adding your monthly income and expenses in the relevant columns. It's essential to be as accurate as possible here, as this will form the basis of your budget. This is the step where you get to see the real picture of your financial status. Once you've filled in the tables, it's time to add formulas. By clicking on the Calculate option at the bottom of your columns, you can use Notion's formulas to calculate totals, averages, or even percentages. This helps because it takes the math out of budgeting and lets Notion do the heavy lifting. Now let me explain why this matters. By having a comprehensive view of your income and expenses, you can make informed decisions about where you can cut back and where you can splurge a little. Finally, make sure to update your budget regularly. As your income or expenses change, make sure to reflect those changes in your Notion budget. This ensures that your budget stays up to date and relevant to your current financial situation. And that's it. You now know how to create a family budget in Notion, the 2025 way. With this tool, you can keep track of your finances and make smart money decisions. Remember, a budget isn't about restriction, it's about making your money work for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy budgeting.